We all know that if you want to configure multiple Gmail accounts on your Windows browser, we can easily do this. But what if you want to sign out from one particular account? Unfortunately, you don't find this option. If you click on profile, all you can see is sign out from all accounts. But in this video, we are going to learn if you want to log out from one particular ID, how we can easily do this. But for that, we need the mobile app as well. So on the mobile app, just make sure that you are logged in on the same Gmail ID, and just then go to the profile settings and just make sure on the top you see that exact Gmail account. Just go to the Google account from here, and from here just scroll down to security and just scroll down to the bottom. Actually, let's go a little upwards, and in your devices section you can click on manage all devices. And here we see some Android devices, and if you scroll down, we can see some Windows devices. Now, where you have recently logged in will be shown on the top. So in this case, it's Windows 1 minute ago from Google Chrome. So let's select that. And from here, we can just sign out. Click on sign out and click OK. Now, when we refresh on our desktop, let's see. Now we have successfully signed out. So that's it, guys. This is how you can sign out from a single Gmail ID. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.